sounds fine and is healthy. It sounds healthy, except for the blown head gasket. If you want to watch the video of the diagnosis, there's a link in the description below. Wow, that was unexpected. As you can see, there's definitely aluminium pickup in the cylinder. Hear that? So if you look at cylinder number 2 and you compare it to number 3, you can clearly see there's damage to cylinder number 2. But it is definitely determined to carry on like a Labrador. You can clearly see the damage in the cylinder. It looks pretty bad. Yeah, so that's quite bad. Okay, there is also where if we measure the bore, and now we're going to measure the cylinder bores with an inside micrometer. There we go. This tool is inside micrometer. It's used to measure the inside of the cylinder bore. Standard specification for this engine is 81 millimeters. So first of all, we measure the top, the very top. Yeah, this bore's worn. See, that's tight. And over here it's like loose. So this cylinder is actually oversized. I'm measuring 81.25, which is one cut over. So it's first cut. It's 1 thou over 0.25. Yeah, and even this here is warpage. 81.45. 0.20 warpage. And that's at the top. There as well. Inline is even worse. Point 2.4. Let's check the bad bore. The inline is measuring 81.35, which is bad. That's really bad, because usually thrust is a lot worse. That's bad. This engine is in a very desperate need of a rebuild, but I don't think it's in the customer's budget. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Some outtakes. If you look at now, I can't. Okay, now we're going to measure the cylinders with a